Accept that life is not perfect. 2. Don't take yourself too seriously. 3. Don't take others too seriously. 4. Appreciate yourself. 5. Have meaningful goals, they give you purpose. 6. Get a pet. 7. Cultivate friendships. To have friends, be a friend. 8. Be supportive and seek support when needed. 9. Don't confuse materialism with success. 10. Know that money does not buy happiness. 11. Enjoy what you have. 12. Simplify your life. 13. Be more creative. 14. Be yourself. 15. Be more spontaneous. 16. Spend more time with happy people. 17. Keep a happiness journal for writing about the things that give you joy. 18. Find what you love to do and make it your life's work. 19. Be willing to learn and experience new things. 20. Be flexible. 21. Be open-minded. 22. Enjoy simple pleasures. 23. Practice gratitude. 24. Think improvement, not perfection. 25. When things aren't going well, know that it will pass. 26. Know that it's not what happens to you, but how you perceive it that's important. 27. Learn to live in and savor the moment. 28. Exercise regularly. 29. Get enough sleep. 30. Maintain a healthy diet. 31. Enjoy the good conversation. 32. Have a hobby. 33. Take time for fun. 34. Practice moderation. 35. Cultivate an appreciation for the arts. 36. Read inspiring material. 37. Help others. 38. Have faith. 39. As Richard Carlson has said, don't sweat the small stuff. 40. Smile for no particular reason.